Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and open up our Trust Wallet. Okay. Now, once you have the app opened, just go ahead and tap on Receive. Okay. Once done, you're going to want to look for USDT. This one. If you can't see it right here, just go ahead and tap it down at the search function, USDT. Okay. Now let's say, for example, we just wanted to have Ethereum USDT. I'm just going to tap on it. Or you have the option for Tron as well, or TRC20. Maybe we'll try USDT Tron right here. I'm just going to tap on it. Now here we have plenty of options of receiving. You have the QR code right here, or the wallet address. So what we're going to do here is just tap the copy button. Copy. Says here copied. Now let's go ahead and open up Binance. Now on Binance, go ahead and go to your assets at the bottom right. Now tap on send. Now go ahead and tap on chain withdrawal. Okay. Just tap on it. And here we're going to look for USDT. Okay. As we are going to send USDT. Down here, as you can see, it needs an address. So it asks us to long press to paste. So we're going to do that. Then hit on paste. Here we have the address. Okay. Now once that's done, go ahead over to network. Tap on the drop down. And as you might remember, we have selected Tron TRC20. Okay. I'm just going to tap on it. And then here is the withdrawal amount. So as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USDT. All right. Just tap on it and type in 10 as the minimum. If you want to go further, just go ahead and write it down in here and hit on done. And after that, just tap on withdrawal, follow the simple prompts. And once done, go back to your Trust Wallet and you should have your funds in no time. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.